Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how we can use PowerPoint as a really good tool for summarizing a topic or a unit of work that we've just experienced at school. So you can see here, this is PowerPoint on a Mac, very similar on the PC. I have one page already. I've got a heading linear motion because I've been doing a science topic, and then I've just got some summary points under here. And the reason I like PowerPoint as a summary tool is that it keeps you into this small number of points, and you don't get tempted to just write pages and pages of summary enough. You go, linear motion, that's one of the key things I need to know, and so therefore I need 4 or 5 key points, or maybe a graphic or something like that, which would help. So I'm sure most people are familiar with PowerPoint, but I'm just going to close a couple of these ones here, and we're going to start with a new presentation, and I can give it a layout. I quite often will like maybe a title slide on the front page, but then after that I can set up, so I'm going to pick a nice theme. I want it to be something that I visually like to look at, and it might be geography, and we might be looking at the rainforests. And then I'm going to go back to my home section here, and I'm going to go new slide, and I want a slide. Title and content I think are excellent, so I could actually talk about the Daintree, and we'll get that loaded. And I could write that it's in North Queensland, that it's in the tropical areas, and I could put a lot of information in from there. Obviously I could always go and get a web browser open, go and do a search on rainforests, go to images, get a nice picture of a rainforest, view the original image and copy it, flick back to here, and then I could paste that image in. Okay, and obviously I'm going to need to scale it and drop it into a different location so it's not in. And I'm starting to build up good summary notes. Now it's also possible to put some links in here to videos from the web, so if you highlight some words there, it's certainly possible for you to actually right click on it and go down to hyperlink, and that can link out to the web, or it's also possible for it to link to other pages within the documents. There's a number of options that you can do within that. You can go to a whole lot of web addresses that you've been to in the past and set it up there, and that means that it's a good way of collating it. Generally I aim to have one slide per the major key points, so if I had kudos from a class teacher, I'd have all my different key things that I need to know, understand or do as a slide, and then just a couple of points underneath them, so that the night before the exam I can easily flick through them, remember all my key points, use them as memory triggers, and makes a very effective way of actually organising my notes.